Hello, friends, nice to meet you. Zmotion Technology XPCIE1032H card lessons here. Today, Lesson 10. How to do homing. For more knowledge, please go to links for reference, including articles and videos. Let's start today learning. There are two homing methods. By card itself homing parameters, or EtherCAT drive homing parameters. See controller homing at first. It uses this C# command. Please enter correct parameters. The most important one is mode. More than 10 modes can be selected. You can check RT basic datum command for reference. For example, mode 13. It is mode 3 essentially. Axis runs forward at the speed of speed. After meeting position switch, it will inversely find the origin at the speed of creep until away from the origin. This is mode 3. Plus 10, which means it will not stop. Okay, this is controller homing method. It will be shown in C# routine. Next, drive homing method. This command is used. Also, enter corresponding parameters. Please note, its PDO can't be set as -1 in EtherCAT initialization. Otherwise, it is invalid. Because there is no 6060. Doesn't support EtherCAT homing. How to set drive homing. Except checking the drive manual. RT basic drive profile command can help you. It can be seen others all include 6060 data dictionary. You select any one that is support by drive. For example, Innovance drive, mode 19. When homing begins, the origin signal is 0. Then move at homing high speed. After the origin signal becomes 1. Run at homing low speed. When 0 again, stop, homing is done. Okay, 2 are introduced. Here, let's operate it. We use one XPCIE1032H EtherCAT card, one Innovance EtherCAT drive, and one EIO16084 IO expansion module. Then, this is the routine UI. It will be shown later. The steps are these. Connect at first. Then, do bus initialization. EtherCAT initialization file can be obtained from website. And Lesson 3 talked that. Then, select Axis. And choose EtherCAT or drive homing. Configure corresponding parameters. Before that, still, start MotionRT 7. Open bus initialization file in RTSys. Connect it through local. After that, open oscilloscope. It can help debug, capturing real-time data. We make Axis 1 do homing. So select Axis 1. And capture position and speed. In mode 13, the mapping origin signal is 24. And the positive position limit IO signal is 25. Okay, reset. Start. Back to C# routine. Run it. And connect. Download EtherCAT initialization basic file. Okay, initialized. As mentioned before, two devices are connected. One drive and one IO module. The axis number is 1. Set corresponding speeds and limits. No need negative limit, set it as -1. Click Confirm Parameter. And click Open Homing. Now, see, data are sampling now. Run forward at speed 50. We give one positive limit signal. Now, it is finding inversely. Then, give one origin signal. Creep inversely at creep speed. Until away from origin. Now, left the origin. The DPOS is 0, feedback speed is also 0. Which means homing is completed. Back C#, let's try drive homing. Change the axis number as 0. The mode is 19. Set homing high speed and low speed. Still, confirm parameters and open homing. See the real-time waveform. At first, origin signal is 0. Give signal 1. It starts to decelerate for finding the origin inversely. Zero again. It stops. Homing ends. Okay, 2 methods are operated. And you also can go to corresponding article. It shows specific codes. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.